All right, wheelchair build part 3, I believe it is. Probably couldn't get anything out to you guys the other day. It's been tough, man. Being paralyzed is not a fun fucking thing. Wheelchair I'm sitting in now is just causing me some fucking problems. The upholstery is just all fucked up. It's not fun. All right. Causes a lot of pain, so I can't sit in for very long, can't do very much for very long. I've tried fixing it. It's, you know, I don't want to buy new parts for this chair because I'm building this chair. I'd rather buy parts for this chair, right, and get it done than buy parts for this crappy chair that I'm sitting in now. So, you know what I mean? Plus, I can make parts cheaper than if I was to buy the parts. That's another thing. Like, this carbon sheet right here, right? Carbon sheet, thick enough as a seat plate, right, for my wheelchair. Got that for $100 on eBay, you know? You want to know how much a carbon fiber seat plate is for my wheelchair? It's like they want $320 for that thing. You know? You want to know how much a freaking carbon fiber axle and to do all this stuff from them people? Jeez, they want an arm and a leg for that shit. I've already given up my legs, so I can't give those out. And I'm not going to give up one of my arms. No. So I'd rather just sit and, you know, make my own wheelchair. Well, make it better since I have a chair, and then it doesn't cost me a fortune to do this, right? To get this stuff welded up, it might run me maybe $150, you know, but that's not bad. But other than that, so I got these pieces, like I said the other time, getting those done. I got 2 of them, exactly the same, exactly the same, exactly the same. All right. This bar goes across the middle, right, like we did before, right? Got that done. I'm gonna start grinding down some of this stuff right here so that this piece will slide right into that little pocket right there. That's gonna be dope. Then, what else have I done? All right, what else have I done? I got the bottom of my foot plate done. It was this big heavy thing. That big old monster thing. Right? So I had one like this. What I did is I cut these 2 pieces off right here. Right? Boom. Polished them up. Made them all nice. Made them both the same. Right? Both the same. Then I cut a piece of tubing. Right? Put it in the middle. This piece right here, hard to do with one hand, but this piece right here is just to hold this in place. This is the same tubing that goes into there. So once I get this welded up around here, we'll clean that up and make it all smooth. And then that will be a lot lighter than what I have. And then I got my little saw thingy here that I got set up that I'm gonna cut my carbon plate with. I started cutting with it already, just that it's like, you know, 12:30 a.m. So wouldn't be good to be, so it wouldn't be very good for me to be using that tool at this time. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna cut that carbon plate tomorrow, get that done. What I really gotta get done is I really gotta get this chair ready to get to the welder. Since I got those 2 pieces that are the same and I know they fit perfectly like I want them to do, I just gotta start grinding down some of these welds here so that these other little pieces that I made will fit nice and snug and get welded, right? So that's what I'm doing. Also, I stayed up really late and finalized my 3D print stuff for my rear axle. I got the rear axle hanger all finalized with the size of bolts that I'm going to be using. I'll be using a 5mm bolt on those. And then on the little receiver part, right on the receiver part, right, the little receiver part, I'm going to do 5 3mm bolts around this thing. And then I'm going to make this thing longer, but not thicker. I'm going to leave this thickness the way it is. I'm just going to make a shell that comes out about like that long. That way when it goes in the tube, it goes in the tube a little bit further in, has a lot of bonding area. Other than that, you know, check it out. I'll show you on the computer. All right, so this is the axle receiver. It's 2 pieces. Like I said, I made that 1 piece longer. See that? Nice. All right, so that's 1 piece. There's the second one. Right. I'm gonna do 5 3mm screws that are flatheads right there. Yeah, it's gonna be dope. Boom. And this is the axle hanger that I got all finalized. As you can see on the, I actually got 4 bolts that will hold it in, right? And the cool part about that is, let's get rid of one of these parts. Cool part is, if you see right here, boom, how I got that, like so, when it bolts together, it'll clamp up around that area right there, hollowed out, steal some of that area because it's, you know, weight-wise, right? Tell me that part does not look fucking dope. Look at that. Tell me that that does not look freaking dope, right? Oh my God. That's one fucking good design. If you look at the bolt holes too as well, they're all lined up and in the middle of places. Ooh, it's so sweet. Make that much noise. And I don't think my neighbors really give a fuck what I do over here. So, we're gonna let this guy some of this stuff down. You know? Even though I get this chair together, I'm not gonna paint it. I'm gonna get it powder coated again, so that it looks brand new, brand spanking new. That's what I'm saying. It'd be all like customized by the Criminal Design, right? Should be all NorCal Criminal Design. That's what it should be, right? Damn. All right. Tell me, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Help me out here now. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know, try to help me out. Probably gonna have to take this chair apart. Take these support screws all apart so that I can get this done properly. So that I'm not just doing one side at a time, you know what I'm saying? Over it lightly, just to take the powder coat off. Getting a little dusty in here though, man. I would do this outside, right? Man, it's been raining all day. I want to do this outside. You know, I'm gonna have to clean all this stuff up. You have to go and wipe up all the dust, vacuum up all the dust. You know? gonna take this back piece off here. I gotta take this off. When you want the right size wrench, you can't find one, you find yourself adjustable wrench. Adjustability, right? Always have some adjustability. It's adjustability. That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? It's just adjustability. It's just adjustability. All right. Slide it out that way. And I know it sucks having to try to. Okie dokie, let's see, I'm missing this bolt here. Where'd it go? Here it is, right here. Found it. Alright. So when I put this thing back together, I'm gonna put like probably like maybe a tubing or something right here. That way it locks it like harsh instead of just the bolts. Or I'll get a bunch of, I think what I'll do is I'll get a bunch of washers. I'll just get a bunch of like 5 or 6 washers put on each end right here. That way, man, it like locks it. Gives it more. You know, Milwaukee, if you're seeing this is a pretty cool tool, but if you happen to have one of the ones where it's like to grind around the metal, around the tube, maybe you could send that to me. I'll be forever thankful for you. You know? Did I mention I work at Home Depot? You know? Maybe you help a Home Depot employee out, man. You know? Maybe you'll help a Home Depot employee out. Alright, that's gotta do a little bit more sand and shit like that on there. Right? Well, I said I work at Home Depot, but I don't know if I'll be working there much longer, man. they might fire my ass. You know, my wheelchair always breaking, not being able to get to work. It's been a psychological fucking warfare, man. Alright. That looks good. What I'm gonna do is alright. I'll get in here with the grinder with my file. I'm gonna file this stuff. I'll show you that in a little bit. Alright. Time to take a break. Talk to you later. Alright, we'll spend some time on getting this piece all done. You can see how nice it fits, like up against there on that bottom piece, like right here. Oh yeah, that's looking nice. I'll have that welded up. That will give this bar tremendous amounts of strength. This is the other side. As you can see, I got it all smoothed out too. Just got to file down this weld right here. Got to do a little coping on this one right here. All right, make it fit. But that's about what I got going on. Look how nice that's gonna be. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Still got the front ones to fuck around with. And I got that plate to get cut tomorrow. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace. This is all right, so that's about what I got going on tonight. I'm gonna finish up. I'm not gonna do too much more. I would like to do more, but I can't. Getting too late. So that's what I got. My workshop, little area. Got to clean it up though. Got to get all the dust out. That's what I'll be doing the next hour. So, all right. Catch you later. Hope you wait for wheelchair part 4. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and help an old man out. Thank you so much.